And it's all finally over. Is the channel over? Or is it my career? Maybe it's the keto recipes. All shall be revealed. Horns up and welcome to Headbanger's Kitchen. As you can see, I'm happy and smiling, so I'm definitely not going to be the bearer of bad news today. But I will ask that you smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm so that this video is pushed out and more of my subscribers will see it in their feed and then hopefully watch it. Let's try and see if we can get at least 100,000 of my 600,000 subscribers to watch this video. So smash that like button. Smash it now, it only takes a second. Okay, so some of you are aware that I no longer do the keto diet, and even fewer of you know that I have a second channel called Headbanger Eats where I used to upload all my non-keto content. And if you've been paying attention to this channel, you would have noticed that I have started uploading a lot of videos here. I've been uploading food challenges, I've been uploading non-keto recipes, and I've been uploading food reviews as well. So if you haven't seen any of that content, do check it out. But what I've essentially been doing is consolidating everything that I do. So Headbanger Eats videos and Headbanger's Kitchen videos are now here on this channel, all in the same place. And that kind of brings an end to sort of the consolidation of both these channels, because I just feel, and I mentioned this in an earlier video, it's just easier for me to have one channel. But what's this video all about? Well, it is to kind of give you a heads up on what's coming up now, because I'm done uploading all the videos that I had on Headbanger Eats. So some of you, the very few of you who had subscribed to that channel, you might have this sense of deja vu, like you've seen the video before, and many of you may not have even seen these videos. So if you haven't, do check them out. So what's coming up now? Well, ladies and gentlemen, starting from the first week of May, you are going to be getting 2 recipe videos every single week from me. One of those recipe videos, which is most likely going to be on Monday, will be a keto recipe. And then on Wednesday, I will upload a non-keto recipe, something that I personally am eating myself, some food that I really love. And I've also got a new series coming up, which will be uploaded every Friday. All will be revealed soon about that, but stay tuned, it's going to be fun. I'm also going to do my first giveaway next month. You know, I asked you if you guys think I should do like a giveaway, you know, maybe give away an Amazon gift card or my cookbook. So that's coming up as well. So stay tuned for that. Basically, what I'm saying is starting from May, there's going to be a whole new Headbanger's Kitchen. You know, so there's going to be all kinds of videos, like I said, keto, non-keto, and whenever I get time or I'm inspired, I'll throw in food reviews as well. I might do some food challenges. Basically, this channel is going to have everything to do with me. So if you don't like me, what are you watching this video for anyway? Look, the old Headbanger's Kitchen, the time's up, you know, we all evolve, and now comes the new era of Headbanger's Kitchen. So if you're strict keto and you can't handle me uploading other stuff, maybe you want to unsubscribe. You know, if you don't like seeing my face, if you don't like my jibber jabber, then well, you can unsubscribe as well. But if you do enjoy everything that I do, thank you for being here. Thank you for watching the videos. Make sure you hit the bell icon so you get a notification when a new video goes up. And once again, thank you for either liking or disliking this video. It doesn't matter, because that definitely helps the YouTube algorithm know that this video needs to be shown to more of my viewers. Anyway, I think that pretty much sums up everything I wanted to say. I will see you all first week of May with a brand new episode of Headbanger's Kitchen. So till then, cheers and keep cooking and keep eating.